Purana. The Garuda Purana has come to so quickly linked with the first Garuda ceremonies among the Hindus. This perhaps never been studied by Purana and served in separation. The traditional Hindus must have heard it one day on the horse or some important weekends or related with the postmortem rituals and being so strong in the public really that this has also written normal happy time which suffers some personal sorrow. Believe it is that who read it in a normal happy time might suffer some personal sorrow. Tradition of scolding praises the clash of deliberate movement of time taboos around it. They have a reason of individual benefit and a benefit to getting a chance of being really independent. This process are likely to be saved in cosmos mode, and they associate the great extent in which where Purana projected from Zincs to be touched and into the wondering those community peoples. Thanks to the influence mind of NRA younger generation, which is some questioning the relevance of rituals apparently looked absurd to them since they didn't know the rational behind them. This work tries to explain the relevance and province simplicity to apparent religion. Most of this time it is asked as to why these horrend details has been given while appear downside never present symbol. Why the vivid description of the hell as wide elaborate punishment of different times. But when the people are asked arise some questions, they forgot basic fact of human psychology. The whole idea behind the lucid and detailed descriptions of life if we are against committing a wrong. Ungrateful that this recitation of Purana after was and read as a tradition of Hindu household is recommended only for instilling the fear in the hearts of listeners so that even if they are on the wrong track, they will still remain their ways. It's a negative way of learning, lending the people to a righteous path. Further, the details of hell and the punishment don't appear to be entirely the sense of logic. If one absorbs that a sharing money, show this sharing money, the next both he likely be true for himself. In this fact, it's called the poetic justice. So even so even if one may not believe in the centrality of consequences of the wrong act, the basic inheritance of this description may convince of mind and trending on the recommendation path. In fact, it's the basic thought behind all Puranas, although the word Purana originally means ancient, old narrative long before the beginning of Christian era. It is a designation of class of Muslim announced nature with an old role stories and legends of India. The purpose of complaining this such a form with terms way to make the ancient thinking process. It is a norm of righteous content available to the subsequent generation. So that with the past experience and the present observation, the egos of the people of a particular religion may be so the narrative various anecdotes and legends is repeatedly hammered on the people's psyche as to what is good and what is bad. Stories, the epilogues and the parallels of Puranic text were so together. But not the purpose of furnishing chronological accurate history. It would be born in a mind that were composed to furnish the living examples of model pictures. As Puranas and exert in particular deity, it must be noted that the Catholic and uniformity of Hindus approach the supreme reality is affirmed at every turn. One would about the Lord Vishnu chooses to reveal the details of the post-mortem rituals and ceremonies to Garuda to mount too far and is not like to face him as the great God has also said in the Bible. Perhaps the Lord Vishnu goes Garuda because of the letter of the access area. It is a hill and heaven. The some name of Vaikuntha Loka and dreadful Pathala Loka. Since the Garuda is source of Purana, the Jampari believer, he might have as well check all this detail himself before passing through on the saviors from whom the Vedanta received from and comparing them in the form of both uses a way, views, and sort of authenticity in the complete and authority. Secondly, as this described the negative human aspects, one can also gauge the extent human differing. One may be amazed to know that this Purana was compiled millennia ago. It contains every conceivable kind that human being is common, right from the lowest insect to even sodomy. Although, even though the apparent grab of myths may look obscure, deep 3 years. This assumption lying would find enlightening and educative. Since the Purana deals more don'ts and by interfering on do's, it forms a moral code of developing the penal system. All the class of people. It reveals that the logic of moral working as a block or ancient culture. Of course, there may be having been a mean interpretation, but they reveal in the final analysis the importance attached to the Puranas, which reveals that we have been and what we are asked, inspired to do.